Hello, in front of me I've got EPOMAKER Galaxy80. In this video I'll show you how to remap function buttons. To remap FN layer, let's go to Dedicated app. Select your keyboard and select FN layer. Right here, select Trigger. And now click left mouse to change key settings and right mouse to select more functions. Now, if you press FN button and button you select, you will have additional layer of functions. Normally this is U, but if we press and hold FN, the U becomes F8. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.